Hello everybody, my name is Gaurav Singh and today I am discussing about my presentation on HRM and I am respected teacher and today I am discussing about my presentation on Arospa Hotel on London. It is located at 83 Glover Road and it is very crowded area on that place and my first slide is on the career path. It is very important slide on my career path. It is very important because the hotel gives the promotion to the best employee working for the 3 years on the that place. I choose my self as a waiter on three best performance on 3 years and from the post of waiter to the post of assistant and the manager committee. I am also shown on the desktops, and after that HRM. It is permanent to the management committee, works with best performance for 3 years. Then employee get the post of HRM. HRM is like a human resource manager. And if the HRM works for the hotel with the performance for next 2 years, then it can he and I can get a promotion to the post of assistant manager. I will also show to my slides. Assistant manager, working as assistant manager for 10 years, 10 years employees, we get recruited for the post of manager. After 10 years, I also post to the manager on that level. And my next slide is contract type. Contract type is the main part of our slides. There is only one manager recruited on the contract of full time type. There are two HR managers and both are working as permanent full time contract. Assistant manager are two and both are working as permanent full-time contract with discussion making authorities. There are two assistant manager with contract of full-time employees working in management committee, and rest are on casual basis. I also shown on my slides as well. Casual basis contract, and there are two permanent full waiters, and there are on other on casual contract type. I also went on my slides as well. And there are the supporting staff is recruited as psychological contract, and there are 5 employees working as support staff. And my third slide is my next slide is recruitment and selection process. The recruitment selection process is the criteria of selection of employees on the behalf of their basis on their skills and communication on the behalf of. Hotel gives the recruitment advertisement in the daily newspaper of London, and then according to application it gets. Management committee provides the appointment letter to the candidates as per the employment in every applicants. After that, resumes are taken out according to the ability shown in resumes, and interviews are conducted. Then with the help of HR managers and the board directors of the meeting, they are taken the interviews at that time. They are hearing the conducting by signing agreements and delivering post to the candidates. After that, remaining processing of and paperwork are carried out so that applicant can join us an employee of the hotel, and they are take all the benefits of the hotel and join to regularly in that time. And my next slide is learning and development process. I have also shown all the things in the learning process development in my recruitment time. And the learning process, hotel provides the training and development classes for learning and development process, from which the employee can develop himself personally and professionally. After which the assessment is carrying out, and abilities and capabilities are recognized, by which the promotions are given to him. And I also gave the slide, shown all the things to the learning and development process, good practices, assessments, recognition, continuing personal and professional development, career development, success and promotion, and inductions. Training and development process is also related to that thing. And my next slide is performance appraisal. There are 4 ranked methods in that profession. The performance and appraisal process is of employees in a hotel can be understood by understanding the abilities, and according the appraisal like bonds and improvement in post is provided to him and them also. There are 4 major methods adopted by the hotels for performance and appraisal, like ranking method, parade comparison method, force distribution method, and the last one is linear rating scan method. There are, and I also introduced to the all methods by performance and appraisal. By this method, hotel management substitute the rank of employees working in hotels. And this method ranking by this method, the according to the behalf of skills of the employee, the HR department gave the ranking to the employees. And these all the 3 methods also shown on my slides as well as. And my last slide is exit strategy. This is very important important slide on my presentation. The exit strategy is started works as role of waiter. I am also joining as a role of waiter, and after 10 years I am the manager of 3 to 4 star hotel in London as well. It tells that this exit strategy tells that where the exit strategy opted by me as employee in hotel. I started works as a waiter in Hotel Rospa, London, and stopped hoping jobs for past 10 years, gave best performance, and achieved good ranks in all the posts I get recruitments. Achieved post appraisal from the 5 years to 10 years, from the past post of waiter to the post of manager in 10 years. Created good employment with colleagues, and got appraisal for the senior employees working there. Before leaving the job as a manager in the hotel, I will give prior notice, and it is very much beneficial to work as a manager in this hotel and look for better options in future because job security reasons. This is the exit strategy to leave our job in that profession, because if we have a good opportunity to another profession and another skill, another jobs, then we are leave that job, because sometimes we are not beneficial for that job. That's why we are leave that job. So this is my presentation on HRM. So thank you very much. Thank you.